Hey everybody, we're going to do a quick tutorial walkthrough for the Discord services. This specific walkthrough is going to be just for mass deleting your Discord messages, whether it be DMs or messages. So I'm just going to do a really quick walkthrough on this, just from step one to the last step. So here we go. The first thing you obviously want to do is open Redact. If you don't have it, you can download it and test it for free. The download link is in the description below. Once you open Discord, you're going to be presented with your channel selector. That basically you'll see servers and DMs, two different tabs in there. You can pick and choose what servers you want to remove from, what DMs you want to remove from. You can select all or choose individual ones, however you want to do it. So after you select where you want to target the messages, you scroll down and you will see the date range, and this is to target specific dates. Perhaps you broke up with your girlfriend or boyfriend in September of 2022 and you were a mess and saying all kinds of crazy stuff on Discord, so you could just target that entire month and wipe the whole month out. Or you could do a date range, maybe you want to get rid of 2021, or maybe you want to get rid of all time. Whatever it is, this is where you choose it. I think the default settings are all time, and the all time selections are absolute date, all time, and now on the second box. That would be your all time settings. So if you want to search and remove messages from your entire history, that would be what you choose. Otherwise, you would choose whatever your specific dates are, date ranges or specific date or whatever. So choose your dates, scroll on down. You will come to deletion options with the first option being text search. Text search is if you want to look for messages by everybody with the name Mike, well, then you would put Mike in there. And when you do your search, it will only show you Discord messages and or DMs with the word Mike in it. You can do as many keywords as you want or as few as you want. If you want to do a complete dragnet of all Discord messages, then you would leave that empty. So it'll pull everything. That's pretty much it. The next option is sort direction. This is pretty self-explanatory. You can you can search newest to oldest or oldest to newest. The next option is text search mode. You can search the message text and embedded text, or only search the message text. You can choose whichever one of those you want. Specific message types, this is where you can target specific types of messages. If you want to look for images or videos or links or some combination of all this stuff, you have seven options there. You have 7 different options there to choose from. So you can select them all or select one or some combination of the bunch. So scroll down. The next one, you're going to see additional overrides. This is pretty self-explanatory as well. It's just pinned. Do you want to protect all pinned messages? Yes or no? That's pretty much it. And then of course you have your deletion options. As I stated before, preview mode is basically the dry run for deletion mode. If you select deletion mode and click on start deleting, it is going to just start deleting your messages, everything. So unless you're really comfortable with the program, I highly recommend using preview mode. Preview mode will bring up a screen and it will allow you to scroll through and see all the comments, all the messages, everything that's about to be deleted. So just to make sure you have your search settings correct and your filters correct, yeah, I would highly recommend doing preview mode. And then once it looks good in preview mode, then you come back to deletion mode and then you start deleting. And the other option, of course, is select and delete mode. And this is super safe. It just presents you with a big screen of content, and it lets you pick and choose what to keep and what to remove, item by item, line by line. Of course, the downfall with that is if you have a lot of content, it's going to take you a long time to go through all that, picking and choosing what to keep and what to remove. So, but those are your settings. Also, up at the top, you have delete from Discord as moderator, and delete from file. So I just want to touch on those other two tabs at the top real quick. Delete from Discord as a moderator. This is basically your moderator tools, and they're similar to all the other tools, except on this, on delete from Discord, you have the ability to remove your messages and your messages only. Delete from Discord as a moderator, it's all the same rules apply as the first tab, except you can delete other people's messages as well. So this is super helpful if you're a moderator. It can also be super destructive. So be very careful when you're using the moderator tool. And I highly, highly, highly recommend doing the preview mode when you're using the moderator tool, because then you can not only affect your messages, but you can affect the other people in the server's messages. So be careful with this one. But it's a fantastic tool for Discord moderators. And then delete from file. This is where you can upload the file of your Discord history, and you can delete from the file. So that's it. That's the complete walkthrough there. And if you have any questions, our Discord is always open, or you can email, excuse me, or you can email support@Redact. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great day.